Welcome back, sixth graders. Happy January. Happy New Year. I'm excited to see you guys tomorrow in class. Let's go over what we're doing this week to make sure that we are finishing the semester out strong. If you go to Schoology, you'll see that we have week 18 as a folder set up now. And if you open up the assignments for this week, you'll notice a little bit different format. As I've told you, our to-dos in class, we're going to be reading and working on some grammar together. We'll do some vocabulary review together, and we're going to start working on erase writing together in class. Our homework on Wednesday after class, I'd like you to do the Edpuzzle I've assigned. And on Friday, your homework is to finish the document that we work on in class, especially your race paragraph, if you don't finish it together with us. We only have 3 weeks until semester 1 ends, and at that point, your grades for semester 1 are permanent. That means I cannot change them anymore. And so one thing I really want you to focus on as we get to the end of the semester is checking on any missing work. I've noticed that there is a lot of missing work from the weeks right before Christmas break. I didn't receive any information except for one person about a late assignment being finished over the break. And that tells me that your brains are super fresh and ready to get back into school. So here's what I'd like you to do, every single one of you. Go to our class in Schoology. Click on the Grades tab on the left under Updates. Identify any assignments that have an orange hexagon next to them or are labeled as 0 points. I'd like you to write down those assignments on a piece of paper. Put a star next to any of the assessments. Those are the things that are listed at the top in the category that says assessments. Those things are worth 65% of your grade. So the quizzes in Edgenuity, some of our race paragraphs, a vocabulary quiz from months ago. I'd like you to start making up those missing assignments, starting with the assessments. And anytime you finish something, email me. I will be in tutoring occasionally this week, and somebody will be in tutoring every single day. If you need some help or you just need some space to do work with an adult, please come to tutoring. It's 9 a.m. and 2:15 p.m. Tuesday through Friday. So in class this week, you'll see in our folder, we have our Edpuzzle already, and we have our worksheet. Notice that it says we will work on this in class. You sure can begin on your own, but the race writing really needs to happen after we've read. If you have any questions, send me an email. And again, if you're making up any missing work, let me know so I can update your grade and make sure that we finish the semester strong. Second semester is going to be awesome. Have a great day, guys, and I'll see you in class on Wednesday.